Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically mix and match outfits to create like a new one. Let me just change some items first and then I'll show you. Okay, so I'll just use one from the code actually because I want to. Okay, so for instance, I have this outfit, but I want to add like a longer skirt. I can actually just mix and match that with something else. So let me just go to this skirt section, but I'm just going to color it the same as the outfit. If this shows, that means I'm just going to have to use a different one because I don't want this to show. Can kind of cover it sometimes with like something else, but I'm just going to try to find another one. Okay, that does not work. Let me see what. I just don't have any ideas. That's why I'm blanking right now. Maybe this one with this one to create a longer dress. As you can see, you can't really see it until you like zoom in that much, which people don't. So just do that, and I usually mix and match it with like some other sleeves. Because we don't have a lot of options. I don't have like the VIP, so I don't have a lot of options. For instance, I want to use, let me see this one. I do have to, can I not change the other color? I can. But what is that there? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get another sleeve to put on like this. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can mix and match outfits and dress to impress. Just like put it, like layer it on top of each other because you can't really go wrong with that. And also make sure it's the same color, or else it's going to look super weird and like you can tell that it's like not one piece, if you understand what I mean. But that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.